Here it is, the ATC 70. Fresh paint on the rear. Wheelie bar, reflectors, hard to find. Brand new seat. New exhaust. Been done all inside, just a bit dirty and rusty. Needs a good polish. Not rusty, sorry. Dusty. Needs a good polish. Exhaust runs underneath. It's all been done. Just needs a bit of a polish and a wash. Gold leaf. Plenty of sparkle. Rotate the bars. Twist throttle. It's just dust everywhere. Needs a good clean and a polish. Don't want to do it for you, you get bored else. Reflectors on the front, hard to get hold of as well. Tyres have hardly done anything. Can't see the wheels, but I just need a polish as well. That's about it really. It's all pretty good. New grips, new levers, new cables, new throttle cable, brand new carb. So again, it's a bit dirty, but it's all brand new. Had a full recon on the engine. Can't fire it up because my daughter's in bed, but it does fire up every time. It's perfect. Chassis you can't see very well. Just needs a polish. See it there, where's the sticker? 1985. You can see the chassis is mint, but it just wants polish, covered in whatever that is. Oil.